I'm back. How many times have I said that throughout this year? I really need to get my ends trimmed. Just excuse my hair, it is very uneven. I do need a trim very bad, I understand. I'm debating whether I should go get it professionally trimmed or I should trim it myself. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should do. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm a little shy. I haven't been on here for a while, you know. I may have forgot my intro. Hello there, my name is Jess, and if you are new, I make very fun, very helpful, very creative videos for anyone and everyone with naturally curly hair. So if that seems of interest to you, definitely consider subscribing because you will fit right in here. So I'm doing well, I'm okay, everything's okay in my life. I just had a busy couple of weeks. I hope you guys have been doing okay. I hope school has been going well for you, work, your personal life. So on my Instagram, I posted pretty much telling people to comment videos that they would like to see more of from me or natural hair videos that they don't see enough of. So I'm going to be letting you guys determine what videos I post. I'm gonna be choosing a comment and that comment is going to determine what video I do next. So today's video was inspired by Leticia Minguele, I think that's how you say her name. So she asked, could you please do a video of hairstyles at the awkward length? So thank you for your suggestion. So this video is gonna be hairstyles perfect for people who are at that awkward length stage. Also, this would be perfect for if you're transitioning. I feel like this would be good for people with short hair. And also, you guys are gonna really enjoy that this video is going to be full of easy styles. Like, I know a lot of you cannot braid just yet. All right, so yeah, that's gonna be today's video. So are you guys ready to see these very cute and very easy styles? Let's go. Excuse me. I'm just going to get into the video today. Wait, no, maybe I should do an update. I don't want to not be gone for like 2 weeks and then just come back and not explain anything.
Are you recording with me now?
Yeah. It's like really hot, so I'm like, ugh, taking this off, and now I look naked, so I'm gonna have to like show you guys I'm not naked. Oh. I should probably put that on because it's gonna be very awkward. Oh my gosh, I'm being so weird. Why am I being so weird? I'm being like shy. Like, I know we haven't spoken for that long, but I need to get it together, Jess. This is backwards. Great.